Some wonderful tips for how to romanticize your life. We're going to wake up, have a nice bath, do some baking, make a delicious drink. We're going to bake some scones today in beautiful heart shapes. Going to decorate them, have a wonderful high tea with some delicious pink scones and some tea. Making some beautiful socks and a beautiful hand towel. We're going on Pinterest, make a mood board, read a little bit before going to bed and have some wonderful dreams. The first thing that I love to do is to wake up in my beautiful shabby chic bed. I just love it so much. Then we're going to have a nice and relaxing bath with some candles and some rose petals. I also love to have some tea in my bath with a delicious treat like a macaroon. I'm wearing this beautiful dress. It has the cutest little florals and it looks really pretty. It reminds me of a cottagecore dress and I think it's the perfect dress to wear today. I'm also going to wear this beautiful lace apron because we're going to do some baking. So yeah, I'm so excited to wear this adorable little apron. The first thing that I love to do is to make myself a delicious drink. I have some coffee and I pour some hot water on there. And I added some milk. I also love to add some cream on my coffee. It's so delicious. And I love to add some sprinkles. I just love to wear some pretty lace gloves while having my drink. I think it looks so pretty with the pink bow. Looks so adorable and I love my little cup. It's so pretty. So today we're going to bake some delicious scones. I found this scone mix from Home Bargains and I thought it would be so much fun to bake some scones today. So I just emptied a pack in a large bowl. Then I added some milk. Then I mix it together a little bit. I also had to add a little egg. Once I added all the ingredients, I'm going to mix it all together to make a nice and smooth dough. These scones were actually very easy to make and very fun as well. Now we're going to roll out the dough. Before I'm going to roll out the dough, I'm going to add some flour. To make it less sticky. And it's easier to roll out the dough when you add some flour on there. Roll out the dough and cut out some heart-shaped scones. I wanted to make some heart-shaped scones. I thought it was such a lovely little detail and I always wanted to have some heart-shaped scones, so I was so excited that I could make some today. So I have this heart-shaped cutout and I just cut out as many scones as I can. And this dough was really easy to work with. It was so easy to make these scones. So I added some more flour to make it less sticky and to cut out some more heart-shaped scones. Then we're going to add the scones in the oven on 200 degrees for 10 to 14 minutes. Before I added them to the oven, I added some egg wash on top to make them look more shiny and pretty. So yeah, once I have my scones in the oven, once they're done, I'm taking them out. This is how they turn out. I'm really excited with how they turn out. They look so pretty. And it smells heavenly in our home. So yeah, today we created these adorable heart-shaped scones. I love how they turn out. They look so pretty, and I always wanted to make some of these. And I just love how they look. And they tasted heavenly. They were so delicious. So yeah, I wanted to dip the scones into some pink melted buttercream. This is how they turn out. I thought it was such a lovely detail, and I just love to add some melted buttercream to my scones because it tastes so delicious. Such a lovely treat. So I'm going to add the scones to a little cupcake case. I thought that it looked so pretty. So yeah, I really love how it looks. It almost looked like I got them from a little bakery, which was the little look I wanted to create. So these are all the scones that we've made today. So today we're going to have a wonderful high tea with these delicious heart-shaped scones. I just love how these little scones turn out. They look so pretty. Such a lovely treat. Have some tea in the most adorable heart-shaped tea bag. I got this tea bag from Etsy and I just love it so much. It looks so pretty. And it's the perfect way to have your tea in a little heart-shaped tea bag. Such a lovely detail. So I pour some hot water in my tea. I just love the little heart-shaped tea bag and the little heart-shaped detail. It's so pretty. So today we're going to have a wonderful high tea with some scones. I have some jam, I have the little tea that we just made, my favorite little teapot, my favorite vintage teacup, some delicious heart-shaped scones, which look so pretty in the pink. I just love how they turn out. I have a little trinket box with a beautiful rose, our little scone on a beautiful vintage plate. Some jam for with our scones, of course. So delicious. I just love how this table turned out. I just love how pretty everything looks and how delicious everything looks. And I just love to have little tea parties at home. It's so much fun to do. And I just love to treat myself with all of these delicious treats. My favorite teapot, little teacup. I just love this little heart-shaped tea bag. It's so adorable. So today we're going to make some adorable coquette-inspired socks. I always wanted to make some of these and I'm so excited to make these. So yeah, I just got some really cheap socks from the store. I got mine from Matalan. And I thought it would be so much fun to decorate them with some lace ribbons. So yeah, they're very easy. I just got some textile glue. I like to use my textile glue because it works so well for me. And yeah, you just get your lace ribbon and you just glue it around the sock. Yeah, it's very easy to make, very fun as well. Such a fun little activity. So I decided to add a couple of lace ribbons around the socks to make it look really pretty and really frilly and girly. So yeah, I added lots of textile glue to make sure that the ribbon stick to the socks. Then to finish it off, I added a beautiful little rose, silk rose, which looks so adorable. Such a fun little activity, and I just love how pretty they turn out. So this is how they turn out, the most adorable coquette inspired socks. I just love these so much. I love the lace details and I love the little satin rose as well. I think it's so pretty. We're also going to make a beautiful coquette shabby chic inspired hand towel. This is how they turn out. I think they're so adorable. So yeah, and I'm going to share how I make this. You just get like a simple hand towel. I got this one from Metalan as well. So yeah, you just add some lace ribbons. You can add any ribbons that you like. Just make it how you think it's pretty. Yeah, I just added some ribbons on there and some lace frilly ribbons. I really love those. I get them from just like a local fabric store, or you can find them on Etsy or even on Amazon. So yeah, you just get your ribbons, then you get some textile glue, and then you just glue the ribbon to the little hand towel. Make sure that you use a lot of glue so they stick well onto the towel. Then I like to add like just a pink little ribbon to finish it off and to add a pretty pink color to the hand towel. And I added another little lace ribbon on top for a little detail, and then I add some silk roses. Such a fun little activity as well, and so much fun to make, and I just love how it turned out. This is my favorite little towel. I think it's so pretty. Such a fun little activity to make. So today we made the most adorable little hand towel and the most adorable little socks with lace frills and little satin roses. I just love how they turn out. They're so pretty. I love to scroll through Pinterest for some beautiful images. I always get so inspired by Pinterest. And as soon as I wake up, I just love to go to open my phone and to go on Pinterest and look for some beautiful pictures that inspire me. I always get so inspired by Pinterest. So today we're going to scroll through Pinterest to make a beautiful mood board. So yeah, I got some beautiful pictures that really inspire me that I saved on my Pinterest page. And I just love to scroll through and to save them. To save my favorite ones to make a beautiful mood board. I just love all the pretty pink colors. So pretty. So yeah, now we're going to create a beautiful mood board. I made this beautiful mood board on Pinterest, and I just love how it turned out. It looks so pretty with all the pink colors. Now I created another little mood board. I've been so inspired by having tea parties in the garden. So yeah, this is inspired by little tea parties in the summer in the garden. So yeah, before I'm going to bed, I'm going to read a little bit in my favorite book. My favorite book at the moment is A Little Princess. I just love it so much. I always love to read this book during the summertime. So yeah, then we're going to bed. Before I'm going to sleep, I'm going to read a little bit in my favorite book. Then I'm going to bed and have some sweet dreams about this magical day. So this was my video today. I hope I can inspire you. Thank you so much for watching, and hopefully I will see you very soon with some new inspiration. Thank you so much. Bye!